Sportsman 101. Sportsman 101.
Very nice. Give me 5. Alright, so Emily and I are walking into camp because we want to make sure the road's okay to drive on. So far, so good. There were some pretty deep ruts in here last spring, but it looks like they took care of themselves.
A cat that's flying with the horn and wings. I put the sparkles on her. And
Very
here's the
nice.
ground, here's the tree, here's the sky, here's the clouds, here's the sun. Like it?
I love it.
Thank you.
So Emily and I are up in my deer stand right now, and we are going to watch for some deer and see if we can't get some shots of them.
Yeah, we're gonna look for deer and we're gonna try and shoot them.
With a camera.
Banana bread. I love me some banana bread. I love my mommy's banana bread.
Emily.
What?
What's black and white and red all over?
I forgot.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Newspaper.
Wait, newspaper doesn't have red. It does not have red.
Okay.
Ah! Ah!
So sometimes the hardest part about hunting with a kid is keeping them entertained when nothing's coming by, right? Yeah. So this is our goose blind right here. And as you can see, we try and build it up every year again, but it kind of falls down. So we found some old fencing wire nearby. It's really old. And I brought a bolt cutters. And we might see if we can get this thing so it stops falling down. Does that sound like a good project, Emily?
Yeah.
Right there. Right on. Good job. Nice. Well, Emily, what do you think about the improved blind?
I think it's great.
So while I was working on it, Emily decided she didn't really want to help. She built little stick houses in the dirt instead. But that's okay. She stayed busy, right? Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Aren't you glad I didn't see a banana?
It smells like north.
What?
Yes!
Look at that, Emily.
Wow.
Dibs.
Let's stuck it for the hair. I command you to play with me. Now!
No.
Yes! Or else you get it! Let's go!
Emily made herself a magic wand, and she made me a magic wand.
Hi!
Oh. All right, so what kind of track did you say that was?
I think it's a hyena track. How long have we been out here, Daddy?
That's right. Emily just told me that she wanted to go back to the shack. So how long do you think we've been out here?
1 hour.
Longer.
2 hours.
Longer.
3 hours.
Longer. Exactly 6 hours.
What?
What do you think of that, Emily?
I don't think I've been out here for 6 hours that much.
No, you haven't. You haven't at all.
I guess I was too distracted.
And this is actually the first time you've asked about going back to the shack today.
Oh.
Pretty amazing, huh?
Yeah.
Do you know why?
Why?
You stayed busy.
Yeah.
All right, well, if you help me pack up, we can get ready and start headed in.
You know what? I kind of want to stay here for 1 more hour.
That's fine, we can do that.
Thank you.
So Emily and I are going to set up a trail camera right here. I already pounded the stake in. Okay. I used this hammer right here. This is a sledgehammer, believe it or not. One of my earliest memories is of this hammer here being in my dad's basement and me not being able to lift it. All right, we'll check you in a few weeks. So, Emily, as you can see, we are all packed up. We are ready to go home. Did you have a fun little trip?
Yeah.
What was the most fun part about it?
Because, where we did things at the shacks.
When we did activities at the shack?
Yeah.
Did you miss your mom?
Yeah.
Yeah. I bet you can't wait to give her a big hug, right?
I'm going to give her the hardest hug I ever done.
Yeah. We didn't actually get anything, did we? Yeah. Yeah.
That didn't really count as one.
You know, I think most of the geese just aren't migrating yet. The weather's too nice. Can you say like and subscribe?
Like and subscribe. Huggy!